How to add friends on Discord. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Discord application. After that, go to your profile icon from your bottom right corner, then go to your friends. Now on the top, you will see an option of add friends. Tap on it. Now you can either share invite link via Messenger, Telegram, Twitter, WhatsApp, Line, or email, or also messages, or you can simply copy the invite link and then send them. Or you can, if you know their username, go to add by username and then enter their username and send friend request. So that's how you add a friend on Discord. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.